Hi everyone. Today I'll be talking about tech for pet owners. In this presentation, I'll be talking about food and water dispensers or containers, cleaning products, toys, and apps. Food and water dispensers. The Furbo Dog Camera. What is Furbo Dog Camera? Furbo Dog Camera is an automatic dog feeder that connects to the Furbo app. This app is available on Android and iOS. You are also able to connect the device to Alexa. This product is useful because you are able to play with your furry friend from wherever you are and see them as well. What does this product do? This product lets you toss treats to your dog and enables you to access the camera on the Furbo Dog Camera to view your dog live all through the app. So the American price would be $169 and the Canadian price would be $249. According to the company, Furbo Dog Camera has saved over 100 dogs' lives. And then that's the link for the website. Zone Tech Self-Dispensing Waterer. What is this product? This product is a self-dispensing waterer that can hold up to 3.7 liters of water and is suitable for both dogs and cats. This product has a non-slip mat at the bottom, a stainless steel spring to control the water flow, and the translucent design to the water bottle on top, which is convenient for knowing when to add more water. How does this product work? This waterer relies on gravity, so as the water level in the bowl dips, the provided water bottle on top naturally releases more water into the bowl. This product is useful because every time your pet needs a drink, you don't have to constantly refill their bowl. And the American price would be $29.79, and the Canadian price would be $29.99. Cleaning products for dogs and cats. The self-cleaning cat litter box. What is this product and how does it work? This product is a self-cleaning cat litter box that automatically removes cat litter every 30 minutes, making one full rotation every hour and a half. All you need is premium clumping cat litter and recycled plastic bags for a quick and hygienic cleanup. Waste is carried to the covered bin, keeping it out of sight while reducing odor. This product is useful because you don't have to constantly clean out your cat's litter box. Plus, this product reduces the odor by storing the waste in a covered bin. And the American price would be $89.95, and the Canadian price would be $146.99. GPS collars, the Whistle Go. It has proactive alerts, so when your pet leaves the designated safe area, you get alerted by whichever method most suitable. Real-time location tracking using Google Maps and AT&T, you can see your pet's location from anywhere in the country. Health monitoring for wellness reports that include licking, scratching, and sleeping. It's lightweight, rugged, and waterproof. Your tracker can survive a lot of different scenarios. And the price is $135.72 with your own choice of subscription plan. And then we also have Tractive GPS, which also has proactive alerts when your pet leaves a designated safe area, real-time location tracking, and it's 73.64 with your own choice of subscription plan. And this is how the whistle go looks like. It has different colors, and this is what the Tractive GPS looks like. The original iFetch. The iFetch is an AC adapter or a 6 C-cell battery powered machine that will launch balls for your dogs to play with over and over, so you won't have to. 3 balls, 3 distances, 10, 20, 30 feet. Your dog drops the ball on the top and it shoots out the other end for your dog to go collect again. This product is great for smaller to medium-sized dogs. However, there's other options as well for bigger dogs. The price of this product is $115 with free shipping. The Litter Robot 3 Connect. The Litter Robot 3 Connect is the highest rated Wi-Fi enabled automatic self-cleaning litter box for cats. Never scoop cat litter again while giving your cat a clean bed of litter for each use. The AutoPets Connect app allows you to view the waste drawer level, get notifications, and see recent usage history for insights into your cat's health. This app is compatible with Apple mobile devices with iOS 10 or later and later Android models. After the cat exits the litter box, the sifting process automatically separates the waste from litter and dumps it into a waste drawer. And this is how the product looks like. The litter box comes with a 90-day in-home trial plus 8-month warranty. It helps reduce litter box odor and remotely monitors usage. This product is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars and is priced at $660. Toys for dogs and cats. Interactive laser cat toy. What is this product and how does it work? This product is a fun interactive laser toy for your cat to enjoy. It offers both an automatic mode, which generates random patterns, and a manual mode where you can control the action. This product uses safety-tested lasers that are safe for your cat and home. And that's what it looks like. This product is useful because you can just sit back and relax while your cat plays with this product. It offers an automatic mode that generates random patterns, so you don't have to do anything at all. Plus, it also comes with a timer that turns the device off after 15 minutes so that your cat can take a break. And the American price would be $18.95, and the Canadian price would be $53.74. Snuffle Mat for dogs. What is this product and how does it work? This product is a mat that hides treats in it for your dog to find by sniffing. It is a unique dog training mat that is great for indoors and outdoors. This product is useful because it is great for slow feeding and nose work training. And that's what it looks like. This product is easy to use and you are able to wash it in the washing machine. The American price would be $17.98 and the Canadian price is $33.99. Where to find these products. So all the products that I've just talked about can be found on the Canadian and American Amazon website. And now I'm going to talk about apps. The AirVet app. The AirVet app is an app that allows you to contact a licensed veterinarian on a video call 24/7. It is a 24-hour virtual veterinary care that has no wait times and does not require appointments to be booked. There are licensed vets available online 24/7 that you can get advice and answers you can trust, all from the safety and comfort of your home. There is even an app that is available for download on your smartphone. A licensed veterinarian is available on live video call 24/7 for a flat rate of $30. With AirVet Unlimited, you get 24/7 access to world-class veterinarians through video and ongoing chat follow-up. It's only $19.99 per month for all pets on your account. Why is this app beneficial? This service is very beneficial to pet owners because they are able to contact licensed veterinarians on video call to ask any questions or concerns they may have about their pet. More information. To use this service, you can either download the AirVet app from Google Play or the App Store, or you can visit the website and make an account through there. And this is the website link. VCA Canada App. The VCA Canada App is an app where you can access information about your pet's breed, training tips, real-time reminders and notifications, and 24/7 live chat with a veterinary professional for VCA Canada Care Club clients. You can access this service by downloading the app on your device through Google Play or through the App Store. Some features of this app include medical history, booking appointments, 24/7 live chat, and reminders. More information. There are different fees for the different types of plans they offer. However, they do have a membership type of program called VCA Canada Care Club. It is an affordable long-term wellness plan to protect your pet's health and help prevent illness and disease no matter their age. Being a member of this club entitles you to unlimited exams, live chat with a licensed veterinary professional, and more. And now I'm going to do a live demo of the AirVet app. You can either download the app on your mobile device or you can use the website by searching airvet.com. Once you're there, you can scroll down and see they provide information and they also provide a video of how this service works. And you could learn more. Like at the Help Center, they have frequently asked questions about the vets or pet owners. And in order to use the service, you need to create an account. To create an account, you would press this button here at the top right, Talk to a Vet, which takes you to where you can create your account. To create an account, you have to put your information like first name, last name, email address, and then you can create a password and you have to put your phone number and then you would click this and click create an account. So once you have created an account, you are able to contact a licensed veterinarian or on video call anytime with no time limits. And all you need to do is pay a $30 fee. Thanks for listening.